Akagwaka kakabaho izoba ryo kubanza omu cyaro cya Katoho omugombora ya Nyakiyumbu omuri Bwera division district ya Kasese. Nobu mukuru w'ihanga yatireho ekiragiro cy'abantu okuterundanira aha kuzika bitu babantu tubenzire kubihurira omuri district ya Kasese. Sabira Sadati or DPC wa Bwera division ahamize amakuraga kuna mazima emotoka ya Poorisi kuniyo yatomeire omugenzi.
So as we speak now, the investigations are still going on. And we shall follow up with the family.
Muhindo orumukuru w'omugenzi agizire ngu nechenaku okureba ngu Poorisi buzimazimaniyo etomeire kandi kita cheyamanogu.
As a family member, I want to believe it was really an accident. Even when I have told that the car was overspeeding or was speeding, I don't know what overspeeding is. He was speeding, he was running very fast because there is some relative who was on a bicycle behind a gaba, and he says the car was running really fast.
We have lost him, and the farmers will really miss him because he has been the very first person who could actually mind about the farmers, especially concerning the problem animals, these elephants. He could take his time to sleep even outside, guarding, assisting the people who are guarding the elephants.
Omugenzi asigire omukazi omwe n'abaana mushanju. Amakuraga gashakwa Gilbert Muhanguzi omuri Kasese ahabwa TV West.